Welcome back, class. It's Mr. Corcoran here with another lesson for Fundations Unit 1. This is day 3. Unfortunately, my friend Baby Echo is a little worn out from yesterday. So today, I'll just have to use the large sound cards. I'll say the letter, the name of the shape, and the sound, and I want you to echo back. Let's go pretty quick. A apple a. E ed e. I itch I. O octopus ah. U up ah. Q queen qua. Remember, Q is a buddy letter. Q and U are always together. X fox x. Y yellow ya. W wind wa. K kite k. C cat k. Remember, these two sounds, these two letters make the same sound. C and K both say k. And C and K both come at the beginning of a word with the k sound. Let's keep going. Here's some digraphs. WH whistle wa. CK sock k. SH ship sh. CH chin ch. And TH thumb th. Now for some consonants. F fun f. R rat